India is a land of great geographical diversity. From towering mountains to expansive deserts, lush plains to serene coasts, the country's landscape is varied and dynamic. This diversity has shaped India's history, culture, and economy. The geographical features of India are as diverse as its people, creating a rich tapestry that is both fascinating and unique. In this essay, we will take a closer look at some of India's most prominent geographical features. Let's begin this journey through India's geographical wonders. The Himalayas are the crown jewel of India's geography. Stretching over 1,500 miles, these mountains are not only the highest in the world, but also some of the youngest. They form a natural border between India and China, Nepal, and Bhutan. The Himalayas play a vital role in India's climate, acting as a barrier to cold winds and influencing monsoon winds. They are home to numerous pilgrimage sites, including the revered Amarnath Cave and the sacred river Ganges source at Gangotri. The Himalayas are indeed a majestic and multifaceted part of India's geography. India is blessed with numerous rivers that crisscross the country. Among the most significant are the Ganges, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. These rivers are often referred to as the lifelines of India, supporting agriculture, providing drinking water, and sustaining ecosystems. The Ganges flows from the Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal, covering over 1,500 miles and supporting millions of livelihoods. The Yamuna originates from the Yamunotri Glacier and flows through important cities like Delhi and Agra. The Brahmaputra, originating in Tibet, flows through India and Bangladesh, supporting diverse ecosystems. These rivers are integral to India's culture and economy. They support agriculture, which is the backbone of the Indian economy. They provide water for drinking and sanitation. They are also sites of cultural and religious significance, making them an essential part of India's identity. The Indo-Gangetic Plain is one of the most fertile and densely populated regions in the world. Stretching across northern India, it is formed by the alluvial deposits of the Ganges, Yamuna, and their tributaries. This plain is the heartland of Indian agriculture, producing a significant portion of the country's food grains. The fertility of the Indo-Gangetic Plain is due to the rich alluvial soil deposited by the rivers over millennia. The region's agriculture is further supported by a network of canals and irrigation systems. The Indo-Gangetic Plain is also a cultural and historical hub, home to some of the oldest cities in India. Economically, the Indo-Gangetic Plain is a powerhouse, contributing significantly to India's GDP. The development of infrastructure has further boosted the region's economic growth. The Indo-Gangetic Plain remains a vital region for India, both for its agricultural productivity and its cultural heritage. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a vast arid region in northwestern India. Covering about 200,000 square kilometers, it is one of the largest deserts in the world. Characterized by sandy terrain, scarce vegetation, and extreme temperatures. The Thar is rich in cultural heritage, home to the vibrant culture of Rajasthan. Tourism thrives, drawing visitors to its unique landscape and cultural experiences. The Thar Desert, with its stark beauty and rich culture, is a fascinating part of India's geography. India's coastline stretches for about 7,500 kilometers, offering diverse coastal landscapes. From Goa's beaches to Kerala's backwaters, the coastline is a treasure trove of natural beauty. These regions support fisheries, tourism, and trade, crucial for India's economy. The western coast, along the Arabian Sea, is known for its beautiful beaches and bustling ports. The eastern coast, along the Bay of Bengal, has less commercialized beaches and the Sundarbans. India also has island groups like the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. These regions support a vibrant fishing industry and generate substantial tourism revenue. Ports facilitate international trade, making coastal regions vital for economic growth. India's geography has a profound impact on its culture and lifestyle. The diverse landscapes have shaped the way people live, work, and interact with their environment. From the mountainous terrains of the Himalayas to the fertile plains of the Ganges, each region has its own unique way of life. Geography also plays a critical role in India's economy, contributing to agricultural productivity, mineral wealth, and economic activities along the coasts. The diverse landscapes attract tourists from around the world, boosting the economy and showcasing India's natural and cultural heritage. India's geographical diversity enriches the country's culture, supports its economy, and contributes to its unique identity. The geographical wonders of India are integral to the story of the nation and its people.